Hello, my name is Victor Llano and I will be showing you how to create a new category using Prestashop, as well as adding new products under that category. First, you go to the catalog section right here on the left side, click on it and go to categories. Once you're in categories, you make sure you click on add new category. You can also see your existing categories already right here on the bottom. You make that click on the upper right corner and you create a name. We'll name it watches. We have the parent category as home. Description would be best watches ever. We'll add a cover image as well as a thumbnail. And we'll add watches as the tag. And everybody will have access to it. Save. Whoops, wrong button. Click on save right here. Now we can go ahead and create new products under that category. Go ahead and click on the product section right here and new product. First we add a name. We'll call it the Super Watch. We'll pick a picture. We'll do a summary. Best watch. Description. Nice shiny watch. Oops, typo. We'll change the quantity. We'll have 10 in stock. Price will be $30 at a 8.25 tax rate. Categories will be, once again, watches, and we'll make it the main category. We'll also add a shipping. You can also change the price and the quantities here on the top area as well, but since we already did it here, we'll just go and check for shipping. You can add additional charge for specific dimensions. Since this is a watch, we wouldn't need to do that in this case. We'll add the default delivery time, deliver within 3 to 4 days, and out of stock products will be 5 to 7 days. Shipping will be $5, and we'll choose our UPS as our courier. We'll go ahead and save that, and now we can actually go back and see the product that we created. As a Super Watch, we'll go ahead and activate it as well. Under the category of watches, $30, 10 in stock. And now I'll go ahead and add some more products to this category. Alright, so I went ahead and created more products for that category. I added 2 more products. You can see now here, you can see the Super Watch under the watches category, $30, 10 in stock. Mega Watch, same category, $40, 20 in stock. And Ultra Watch, watches category, $50 and 50 in stock. This is how you create a new category and add new products in Prestashop. My name is Victor one more time, and hope you enjoy this video.